On this episode of Ansel Travel, summertime crowds are here and Orange County beach shells are rolling around southern Orange County, including Newport Beach, Laguna Beach, Dana Point, San Clemente, Laguna Niguel, and San Juan Capistrano for free shuttle services during the summer. Let's ride most shuttles that we can on the Monday and see how busy it is during the weekdays, here on Ansel Travel. OC Bus, summer shuttles, and the Orange County portion of Metrolink are funded by Orange County Transportation Authority, or OCTA, the Transportation Planning Commission for the County of Orange since 1991. The summer shuttles are half funded by OCTA, and the other half is funded by the municipality that they operate in. OCTA's share is from Measure M2, or called OC Go, as a half-cent tax fund to fund OCTA's projects and transit services since 2011, which is a quarter of the budget goes to transit. A majority of it goes to, well, freeway projects. Part of the quarter is community-based transportations and circulators to fund local municipalities for local community transit services that will go right in a bit. Let's take advantage of our tax dollars and explore the beach city's shuttles. But first, let's get there by Orange County Bus Metrolink. For this methodology, on a Monday, there's only 3 of the 6 shuttles are actually run. Well, how's the operation goes for there? For there, Newport Beach runs on the weekend only on the Devlopment Peninsula. Laguna Beach runs all year, and they pretty much run from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. during the summer. Laguna Niguel operates Thursday to Sunday during the summer only. Dana Point runs mainly summer but on a daily basis. San Clemente runs daily throughout the whole year, but with only limited shuttles outside of summer. And San Juan Capistrano only runs on weekends during summer. Unfortunately, I am not able to do the weekends to go on all the shuttles because, well, I work in hotels and I worked all weekend of 4th of July. So, unfortunately, I'm not able to do so. But at least I'm able to do on a weekday on a Monday. First is take OC 553, which actually has been extended from the Arctic as their northern terminus to now is actually Disneyland. So that's pretty cool. So it makes it just only like one stop at Catella from where I started at Anaheim Boulevard and Catella. Then you got in time for Metrolink Orange County 609 at 9:36 a.m. Then you take it all the way south. So for there, when you roll by Laguna Niguel, they do have the stop actually conveniently right at the Laguna Niguel Mission Viejo train station, which you go through Crown Valley Parkway and then goes all the way to Salt Creek Beach, which you can actually transfer to Laguna Beach and Dana Point. Next station over is San Juan Capistrano, which is there only during summer weekends only, unfortunately. But for there, you can know it's easy just to go actually connects to Dana Point. Then next you go all the way down to San Clemente, where San Clemente was not operating yet when I got there, so I just took an OC bus to go all the way up to Laguna Beach. For there, it's all along the way, help plan my next portions of the trip. So for there, just took OC Bus 1, which included the transfer fare, which my fare was actually the $15 fare I got on with new Metrolink's weekday pass, which is only $15 for a full day now, which is now testing through the end of the year. The route from San Clemente North Station goes through one of the neighborhoods, and then goes through I-5 North to Dana Point. At the Pacific Coast Highway in Gold Lantern, you can transfer here for the Dana Point Trolley. It is really congested on the PCH on Monday, but it is summertime. PCH and Niguel Road, you can exit here for Salt Creek Beach, which is northbound for Laguna Beach Trolley, loop for Dana Point Trolley to the harbor, and Laguna Niguel Trolley, Crown Valley Park. In Laguna Beach, the OC Bus 1 picked up only one person since everyone else is going to more local destinations with the free Laguna Beach transit buses. If you want to go take the OC bus, you need to flag it down, and if you want to go outside the area. After 45 minutes, the OC bus ride, I made it to Laguna Beach's main beach. It was a beautiful day with 73 degrees and a slight breeze. Summertime is popular with Orange County beaches, especially Main Beach Park and Laguna Beach. Construction started back in January for a new modern promenade with amenities, walkway, lighting, benches, water fountains, and drought-tolerant landscaping. The park area is 1,000 feet long, like the area the city bought in 1968, with a few landowners for the beach park in downtown, just across the street from restaurants and shops. Laguna Beach is estimated to have 7 million visitors a year, so you definitely gotta make sure to keep it nice and neat, and especially free shuttle service. Makes it very convenient for all the residents and visitors. From the main beach, you can take the Laguna Beach coastal routes to go down Highway 1. So for there, you can take the long route back to Salt Creek Beach for my next bus. Laguna Beach, Dana Point, and San Clemente uses a hometown manufacturing's trolley bus building model, for the style to look like an old-time trolley. The sides are open with the roll-down vinyl windows and equipped with accessibility lifts. For there, it was a nice chill ride to go down that way. And then pretty much there, however, when you are riding on the shuttle, with open windows you are next to, I don't know, cars with really bad car exhaust, so that's one thing about taking a trolley. But it's nice, but once you get out of the congested areas, it is nice when you go roll along the Highway 1. At the end of the line was Salt Creek Beach Regional Park in Dana Point, located down a steep hill from the shuttle stop for Dana Point, Laguna Beach, and Laguna Niguel shuttles there. It's pretty busy for a summer weekday, so now jog down the Pacific Coast Highway to Dana Point Harbor. For me, I like jogging, and especially for me, I just want to do more of exercise for the day on there, since I just be riding on shuttles most of the day. So, 2.5 miles it is, and I actually hit my goal later in the day. And then when we got to Dana Point's Lantern District, the main commercial core of the city, the streets are named after lantern carlos that was used to advertise boat fairs back in the 1800s. The Lantern District's being redeveloped to multi-story mixed-use buildings depending on the building, and it has commercial services, offices, or restaurants. Dana Point Harbor, owned by the County of Orange since it opened in 1971, is in need of major refurbishment for their boat slips and shopping center called Mariners Village. The County of Orange did a public and private partnership with Dana Point Harbor Partners, a private firm, to work on refurbishing the shopping center with a $600 million budget. Phase 1 and 2 have just been completed with the first 2 phases of Dana Point Harbor redevelopment project with a refurbished harbor deck, new 3-story parking garage with 984 spaces, and new entry road. Both phases cost us $40 million. It'll be a consolidation of parking lot spaces for boaters, boat tour patrons, and shopping center visitors. Next will be Phase 3 of the shopping center, and the parking lot will be demolished to be a new 120,000 square foot shopping center, and 2 new hotels to replace the Dana Point Marina Inn, which should be completed by 2026. Some of the restaurants and shops have started relocating to the new shopping center, either at the wharf or what the Coffee's Importer did, moved to the Ocean Institute. However, Harpoon Henry's will not reopen and will close in August. Once shopping center is ready, retailers will move back in, and Phase 4 will refurbish the wharf starting 2026. Phase 5 will expand the parking lot by demolishing the Brig restaurant and Beach Harbor Pizza. Is it really going to add that much parking? Well, who knows. The shopping center will attract new vendors such as Coco Bloom Coffee Cart, who's excited for the new developments. At Mariners Village Shopping Center, I went to Woody Hut, a souvenir shop. The Woody Hut shop owner said that she and many tenants will relocate to the wharf area until the new shopping center is ready. For lunch, I went to Coffee Importers relocated to the Ocean Institute, a nonprofit marine research institute and education center. In the cafe, they were able to do breakfast and lunch menu at the new location, however, did not have space for the ice cream shop. As well, they don't have any room for the menus. You'd think they have room for ice cream? I don't think so. I got a sausage breakfast burrito and cold brew coffee. Both were delicious. However, had time trying to get through a whole bunch of kids who were there for marine study summer camp. Next is Dana Point Shuttle South Loop, which will connect to San Clemente Shuttle. The main fleet for Dana Point is also the hometown manufacturing villager shuttle. However, the regular shuttle bus was this time around, but at least it has AC, which I need after this long walk. Dana Point South Line Shuttle ended at Comuna Mira Costa in San Clemente to transfer to the San Clemente Blue Line at the outlets at San Clemente. The Blue Line arrived and took us to outlets, and then boarded the Red Line to the Metrolink station. This also had a regular bus, but just did the trolley bus anyways. After winding through most neighborhoods, we arrived at the outlets. The bus driver said they could that I could just stay on board the bus, and the Metrolink station was actually the next stop. Then the bus driver took me downhill to San Clemente station with several minutes to spare before my Metrolink train arrived. My project was a success of taking 3 active OC Bus City shuttles on a Monday. And then it took a nice relaxing train back home to Anaheim. And pretty much success, and I love you can explore SoCal by transit, and especially any ways to help go cleanly and easily and without needing to go take a car is all the more better. Thank you for watching Ansel Travel.